So according to question, this is a velocity time graph given by him and a cutting tool. And all of for example, is a piece of the cardboard or for a wooden piece. If you have a machine, you start cutting from here, cutting and cutting. When you reach here, so then you remove the machine up and you bring back. It means going forward and coming backward, distance traveled by the machine is same. It is a very clear. This is a cutting criteria. First, it is a take a little trouble because starting in a cutting sheet, then it is little constant speed, then slow down and you stop here. It means the cutting tool is cutting, the sheet is done, and this is a distance while coming back. So I can say that this is a trapezium area for cutting area, the forward going, and this is an area for coming backwards. Very clear idea. So acceleration of two, I discussed 2 points only in case of velocity time graph. Rule number one, the gradient is equals to acceleration. This is rule number one. Rule number two, the area underlines is equals to distance traveled. That's it. So two criteria we have normally we use in this kind of concepts. He is asking acceleration. First 2 seconds. So it means this line gradient I'm looking for. So simple. And what is a coordinate of this point? X is 2, Y is 0.18. And what is this coordinate? 0, 0. And all of you know gradient formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm getting 0.18 minus 0 over 2 minus 0. So ultimately I get negative positive 0.09 meter per second square, and I got acceleration. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, not any difficulty, we got it here. Anyway, part number one is completely over. Part number two, distance travel move forward while cutting. As I said before, so this full trapezium is an area of the cutting, the board, whatever. Okay, cutting tool, cutting process. So what is the trapezium technique? All of you familiar when two lines are parallel to each other. One length is called A, and this is come from here. And 6 minus 2 give you 4. So A is 4. Whereas this gap is 8. So B is equals to 8. And the gap between them is 0.18 is called the height. So now I'm going to use it and what is the area of the trapezium formula? Half into h times 2a plus b. And I'm going to apply the formula. Height is 0.18 and a is 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12 by, so 6 times 2.18. And I'm getting, alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, distance is equals to 1.08 meter per second. Sorry, meters only, distance because. Now I'm going for the last part, third part. This is a little technical. And I said you the 1 point only. Going forward and coming backward, distance same. And I said many times, when you're going away from observer, this is observer, let's say. So velocity is positive. When you're coming backward, velocity always negative. And you know it, that going forward and coming backward, distance same. So he asking greater speed for a tool while returning back to the starting position. So this speed I'm looking for. What is the velocity here? So this triangle, I have it. I think you know it. This is called base. And this is called height. And what is the area formula? Half into base into height. And area is same distance while going forward or while going backward, same. And base is, you can see that from 11 minus 8, we got a 3. So this is very clear, we have it. And this is 3. This is called velocity because, you know, along a y-axis, we have velocity. So this velocity, for example, this velocity unknown, I will give a name as a V. So this is V. So this is V. I believe you got the idea. So this is a clear. So I'm writing here. So 1.08 into 2 and divided by 3 will give us answer. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So I got it 1.08 into 2 divided by 3. My answer turned to be 0.72 meter per second. And that's it. Alhamdulillah, question is completely over.